Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So right here, I'm going to show you how to go ahead to sew in your skirt, okay? So I'm going to be using this beautiful material. This is a pleated material, but it has like very little small pleats, okay? It is not the same thing with sunray. It's pleated, but it has like very small pleats on it, all right? So now I'm just going ahead to arrange my fabric. Then I'm going ahead to just take out the length that I need because this material is very heavy and it just keeps on drumming, like stretching down the table. So I'm trying to cut out the exact length that I need and then keep the remaining. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to use my pattern paper to make sure that I have enough with my allowance, of course. Now I have exactly what I need, and because of the nature of this material, it doesn't fray and it is pleated. So I would love to leave the ends as it is. I'm not going to be folding the end of this skirt. Okay, so I just want those pleated edges to show at the end of the skirt. Hope you understand. So now I'm just going ahead to pin my pattern paper, the front on the folded side and the back on the open side. Okay. So make sure that your front is on the folded part of your material. Then I'm just going ahead now to place my band on top as well, making sure that I have enough allowance to join my skirt to my band. Now, I said earlier to leave 0.5 inches on both your skirt top and your band, but what I left there is 0.5. So I'm going to be using 0.25 to join my skirt to my band. Okay, so you can either use 0.5 to join or 0.25 to join. At the sides, I'm just leaving 1 inch for my sewing allowance, just 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Okay, I'm going to take this for both the front and the back. Okay, and then as well for the back, I'm going to take the same 1 inch sewing allowance. And then remember to take your allowance for your zipper. Remember, when we were drafting out our pattern, I had not yet taken any allowance for zipper. So when I'm done with taking my 1 inch allowance on the sides, which is what I am doing right now, I will go ahead to take for the top 0.25, which I'm going to use to join to the band. 0.25, and then I'll come down to the zipper area and then take 0.5 for my zipper allowance. I honestly think that for zipper allowance, it shouldn't be more than 0.5 because you can't adjust a skirt from the zipper allowance. Like if you make a skirt or anything at all you're making, you can't adjust the size from the zipper. So the zipper shouldn't be more than 0.5 inches allowance, really. Remember, I said I'm not going to be using a zipper for my skirts. This material is very, very stretchy. So I'm not going to be using a zipper. I'm just going to join up that zipper area. If you're going to be using a zipper, you want to go ahead and, fix in your zipper. But I'm not going to be using a zipper, okay? Now for your band, you want to make sure to cut double for both the front and the back. So one is going to be for the parts that people would see. The other part is going to be for the facing. So your band should be doubled, okay? Then you can cut your band in 2 pieces and join the front to the facing, or you can cut it on fold, okay? So I cut my front band in 2 pieces and I cut my back band on fold. Now I'm going to start with the back pattern, okay? So remember that our back pattern is in 2 pieces because of the zipper area, okay? So what you want to do is to go ahead and pin these 2 pieces together. Now, if you're going to be fixing your zipper, you want to go ahead and fix in your band first and then fix in your zipper. But I'm not going to be using a zipper, so I'm just going to go ahead and pin these 2 pieces together and join them up so they become one piece. So if you're using a zipper, you should join your band separately to each of the pieces and then fix in your zipper. I hope you understand. So now I've gone ahead to place the back. The back now is in one piece because I've joined it at the middle part. You can see I'm yet to iron it. I've joined the back to the front and just pinned it together by the sides. And now I'm just going ahead to just shaping it by the sides. Okay, I think making a skirt is one of the most simplest clothes that anybody can make. In fact, that's one of the very first things we learn as beginners when we start learning how to sew. So now I'm just going ahead to shaping the sides of my skirts, and when I am done, I will go ahead to join this up on my sewing machine. Now let's arrange our band. For my front band, my front band is in two pieces. I didn't cut my front band on fold, just to show you guys that you can cut either in two pieces or you can cut on fold. Now I have one as my main band and one as my facing. I'm going to go ahead and join these two pieces together. Now my back band is on fold. I don't need to join the main band to the facing, so you can see it is on fold. When I open this up, you will see that I cut it on fold, okay? So you can see what I mean. Now I'm going to be joining the middle parts together so it will make a whole band. Remember that my skirt doesn't have a zipper, so I will go ahead to just run a stitch at the middle part of my band and it will become one whole band, okay? Now, in case you're wondering, can I cut this band as a whole, like the front, without having to join at the middle? Yes, you can do that, okay? You can definitely do that if you're not going to be having a zipper for your skirt. I've gone ahead to join up my front band, the main parts to the facing. I've also gone ahead to join my back band at the middle parts together. Now, at this middle area, you would notice that you have a middle area on your band. Okay, you can see that by the side we have it going in like a K shape. The part going inside is the middle area. So at that part, you want to take in your waist round divided by 2. Okay, make sure that that part is going to be very firm on your waist. Okay. So now I'll go ahead and join that up on my sewing machine. Yeah, I'm done with joining my skirts together, and I'm also done with joining my bands together. You can see my band is ready. So I'll go ahead and flip this and you would see what I have. Now we are almost done with making the skirts. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is to just go ahead and join my band to my skirt. You can see how beautiful our skirt is already looking. Now what I'm going to do is to go ahead and pin my band to my skirt. Then when I'm done with that, I would head over to the sewing machine and join it up together. So guys, I am done with pinning my band to my skirt and you can see what I have. The next thing I will do is to head over to my sewing machine and stitch this together. And yeah, I am done and you can see what I have here. This is looking really, really beautiful and I love this material as well. Let me know if you're going to try making a skirt for the first time, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, share, engage with my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.